guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all, wherever you're watching me from, or whatever time you're watching this video. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jamila, and if you're new here, thank you so much for coming. And if you're old here, thank you so much for the support and for watching my videos. Okay, I've been MIA for like the past a year and a half, I believe. My last video was about my labor and delivery story, and that was it. I went off. Having two kids is not easy. It's not a joke, okay? It's not a joke. And thank God I have my mom helping. If you don't know, I'm in my parents' house, and yeah, I'm so excited to be back, guys. You have no idea. I decided just this morning that let me start vlogging, okay? Let me start afresh. Let me hit the restart button in my life and then, start. Because I love doing this so much. I don't know how this vlog is going to go, but yeah, I'm just going to take you along throughout my day, and let's see. I don't know, this is just a welcome back video for you guys, or for me. Yeah, I did breakfast for my kids and my daughter. I took her to school. My youngest is asleep after taking her tea. She just knocked out. She's sleeping, so I need to start doing something, start getting some things done. I'm going to do laundry now. Going to wipe out. I've been going to clean my place. I mean, my room, mop, do all those things. Guys, it's my birthday month, and my birthday passed. Okay, I had plans, but unfortunately, it didn't happen. But I'm still going to do it anyways. I'm still going to do it anyways. I planned for a photo shoot. I was making the outfit. Things came up. So disappointed that it broke me down, and then I just dropped everything. You know. But anyways, life happens. It is what it is. I'm just going to. That's why I said I hit a restart button in my life. Correct my mistakes. Give myself a birthday present. I mean, an early birthday present, and this phone is one of it. I got this phone for myself as a birthday present. I need to treat myself. I need to, you know, celebrate my wins. Okay, I've had a lot of wins and ups and downs. Okay, life is just like that. One day you win, the next day you lose, and it goes on and on. And inshallah, more wins. Let me show you my birthday present. Okay, one special thing I've been meaning to. I was meaning to get, and I have finally got it. I saw this bag online on Instagram. No, sorry, on Snapchat from a vendor, and let me show you. So this one right here, I loved it so much. So I saw it and I asked of the price, and I mean it was reasonable because the bag is so cute. Like, if you can tell, it's so nice. Oh my god, and it's like my favorite color. And guys, let me show you how it opens. Okay, it has a magnet. So so this is how it opens. Okay, so it has a magnet here, and you open, automatically closes back. Guys, if this is not cute, then what is? This is beautiful. This is like my, you know, just going here and come back. So yeah. Oh my god, this is so cute. I've used this so many times, and then the white one I've used it like once. Yeah, just like on Saturday, was it Saturday or Sunday? Sunday. I used it on Sunday. I bought this early May. I bought this before the other one. You see, I've used it. Took it to the bank, took it to so many places. It has a long strand as well. If you want to wear it as a crossbody bag, you can. And yeah, it's cute. Enough of talking. I just it's been so long that I just missed doing this. So I've been talking so much. But anyways, I'm going to go do laundry now. The things you know needs to dry before, because it's been raining these days so much. So I'm going to wash some bed sheets, and then I've washed most of the my. I mean, I've washed all my clothes. I'm left to wash my Tima's clothes Fina, I've washed Fina's clothes, folded them, put them in her drawer just this morning. So I'm going to wash the bed sheets, and then today's Thursday, by the way. So yeah, catch you guys later. So I got this tripod stand. I'm filming with my phone's camera, by the way, and I want to show you guys this tripod. Like, it's been the best purchase I have done. This is the tripod. Like, let me open it for you guys to see. I can like I am 5'7", by the way. People don't know I'm tall, but I'm tall, okay? I mean, like, not that tall, like So this is the tripod, and look, it's almost touching my phone, by the way. Look, so long. I'm going to put you guys on it right now, and then guys, this is not how I plan my videos to go, okay? I want my videos to be more of like a cinematic feel. I want my video to be more of a cinematic, kind of vibe. That's what I'm going for. But today is just an intro, okay? Am I in focus? Today's just an intro for you guys. So yeah, let's go and situate my bed. My things are running in the washing machine, and right now, honestly, I don't know what to do, but I have so much to do. Right now, I just want to lie down and sleep. I just want to lie down and relax for a bit because I feel weak, and I haven't eaten, by the way, since morning. I just prepared breakfast for my kids and then had fried an egg. I mean, two eggs for myself. But guess what? I wasn't the one who ate that egg. Fina, Fina did. Okay, my youngest, she is so. I mean, she's so obsessed with eggs. She loves eggs so much. So she ate one, and then I think I mean, one and a half, and then I ate like just one. I mean, half of that. And yeah, I'm going to lie down and sleep. Honestly, I'm so tired. I don't have appetite these days. If you don't know, I mean, if you can't tell, I've lost so much weight, and I don't have appetite. I know what is wrong with me, by the way. I just want to rest for a bit and then continue. Maybe start editing this vlog. Yeah, let's do that. Let's start editing this vlog. I want to post this. I'm going to edit it on my phone, by the way, because my laptop is not coming. It's not working. I My charger is spoiled. I mean, I took it to the repairer, and that's what they said. My charger is spoiled. So I need to buy another one. It's so expensive and it's so annoying. Um, I've bought like three of these charger and for my laptop, and I'm so sick and tired of it, guys. I think four or so. Anyways, I'm just going to rest for a bit, and I'll pick you guys up when maybe I'm rested, and yeah, I need to do something else. Okay, today's just lazy day for me. Thursday. So Yeah, let's do that. Let's sleep, okay? Since morning, I'm now coming to eat. Okay, my mom prepared rice and stew, rice and vegetable stew mixed with egg, and then she did. My mom does this thing, she'll cook the egg and then she'll fry it, and it'll become, brownish. Okay, she fried the outside, and then it became brownish. She does this. She's been doing this since we were young. Yeah, and I love this so much. Love this so much. I'm not going to eat since morning. My mom is a Nigerian, if you don't know. So she did it the Nigerian style. You know how they cook the rice? Hey, this girl, eh? Huh? Go and sleep again. Go and sleep. So you know how they cook the rice and then they sieve it. They sieve the water out of it. I've dried the bed sheets and all. It will dry really soon because it's very, humid today. It's very humid today. I mean, not really, but it's humid. It will dry right now because the washing machine parts dried it. I'm going to eat my food. Okay, I'm hungry. How are you? Fine. Guys, I told you I was going to sleep. No, I didn't sleep. I was on my phone the whole time watching TikTok. Okay, watching TikTok. Some time ago, I didn't have TikTok on my phone, downloaded on my phone, because I didn't want to be addicted to it. Like, you know, before, our parents, when we are on our phones, they will, be talking, they're saying all sorts of things. But now, they are always on their phone. Yesterday, I saw my mom on her phone watching, this Korean movies, that the short, the short form content they do. I mean, movies they do on, is it TikTok? It's on TikTok everywhere. She was watching. She's so, what's the word? She's so, I don't want to say addicted because my mom, oh, she's so engrossed. Is it engrossed? Is it correct? I don't know. Into what she's doing. I mean, what she's watching. Finas, don't put this in your mouth. Okay? Okay, let me leave you guys. I'm rambling too much, and then eat my food and get this room situated, clean the floors because it's dirty. This girl has putting rice all over the place. So I'm going to do that. It is currently 7 p.m. and I am taking my kids to the mall. We are going to China Mall. We are going to get some school supplies for Tima. She has a school project tomorrow, and I have been putting it off. So yeah, I finally confirmed the day from her teacher, and it's tomorrow currently. So we are going to leave now to go to the China Mall to get whatever she needs, and then get myself some things as well because I need some things. So yeah, this is the fit check. So this is the fit. So we are going to go now, and I'm taking you guys along with me. I don't know how much I'm going to vlog. I don't know how much I'm going to vlog when we get there, but yeah, I'm taking you guys. Any opportunity I get, I will vlog. And yeah, we're going to go now. Like, guys, my lips are so chappy. This road, uh, this is so like practical. Like, I don't know, so thoughtful. Let me go and ask my mom. Maybe she'll go with us. I don't know. I am going to, tell her that we are leaving. I hate it when my lips are so glossy. Like, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. I need to wipe it down a bit. But yeah, we're going to go now. See you guys there. These jars are so beautiful. Oh my god. That's when I get my own space. Hey. Look at this one, guys. Oh my god. If it was plastic. Oh my god, it's so nice. So nice. When I get my own space, eh? All these things, you see them in my house. I'm telling you. This glass is so beautiful. It's heavy too. So what am I going to drink inside? Hey. That'll be easier. What is this one too? Okay, well, let's go. Let's go to the... We are here. Fatima. Hey, come here. Is that you want glue? What kind of glue do you want? Yeah, there's glue stick too. Face glue stick. What are you going to do?
We need to do this thing.
Hey, Fina, come. Come. This one is good.